Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Something a little different today. We just left work and we're heading, well, not home. We're heading to go fix Mara's car. High mileage Honda that the key was stuck in the ignition or got stuck in the ignition. The vehicle is shut off, but you can't start it, can't turn the key, it's stuck in the ignition. And so we ordered a new ignition for it, and it arrived today. So she's dying to have her car back, and so we're heading to her mother's place where the car is to go see if we can fix it on site. It's a nice day out for January. Got up to about 40 degrees today, and it's a good day to work outside, I guess. Try and get it fixed. She stopped at the parts store, picked up some parts for us. She grabbed some tools out of the shop. She'll meet us there, and we'll see if we can tear the steering column apart and put a new ignition switch in this high mileage Honda. I gotta remember which alley to turn in here. There it is. It's this one right here. And there it is. There's her high mileage Honda. And see, the key is stuck in the ignition. It won't turn. Can't pull it out. So we got to fix that. Well, the first thing I got to do is I got to take the steering wheel cover off. There's 3. I think that's all of them. So we got most of it unplugged here, and we can see that there's 2 little break-off screws right there and there to get out. So usually so now we get to put the new one in. See that? Okay, we got the new one started in there. See that? Now we got to tighten it up without breaking the bolts off, because I'm not sure this is going to work. Well, it's running. We still got a lot to put together, but it'll run and drive home now. Well, we got it running, and we're on our way home now. We'll finish it up there. Well, there we go. It's all back together now, and the keys work. See? So now the wife is happy again. It's the next morning. I'm on my way to work. We got the wife's car done last night. She's happy. Now it's back to work. We got Twinkies for breakfast. And we start all over again. Well, hi there. It's the next evening. Mara is cleaning out her high mileage Honda, and I'm going to work on the Snowcat. I'm hoping her high mileage Honda lasts at least till 350,000 because we can't afford to buy anything right now. We got a bunch of stuff for the Snowcat here, and we got the spring pads for Mara's wrecker. And of course I got the wiper switch. We're gonna work on the wiper switch tonight. Something quick and easy. I ordered a new fuel tank for the Snowcat, but it isn't here yet. And we're gonna replace the fuel tank and the lines, and I don't know what we're gonna do about the carburetor yet, but we'll get to it. Okay, we gotta take out this wiper switch. And no, it's not vacuum. So here's our wiper switch. And we have power coming in on the black wire here. And if I short out the black wire to the green wire, we have low wipers. And if I short out the black wire to this wire, we have park. And if I short out the black wire to this wire, we have high-speed wipers. So that's what makes me think it's the switch. So we'll undo the black wire, power wire, and we'll take a look. And we'll take a look at the back of the switch here. And we have L, H, P, and B. So I'm assuming B, I don't know why it's B, but I'm assuming that's our power. And P is park, and H is high, and L is low. So there's our power. And green was low. And this one was park. And this one was high. There we go. Hey, I like that. Now we get to mount the switch. Okay. First thing is we got to get the knob off. There we go. Now. Yeah, that looks right. Oh, that That doesn't leave much for the nut. It's enough though. Oh, bigger. Looks like we gotta go to the toolbox. Okay, that was 9/16, so 5/8, 11/16 just to be sure. Five eighths. Huh. Well, I guess that'll work. That'll work. Well, looks like that works. Tucker doesn't run, but at least the wipers work, huh? Now, we'll throw that switch away so we don't get it mixed up. Okay, wiper switch is done. The fuel tank was supposed to be here, but I got a message saying it was delayed. I don't know when it's going to be here. Let's check these out, make sure they fit. Okay. Well, they fit the axle tube. Now, will they fit out here? No. We're going to have to trim those off. They're a little too long. I wonder if Mara has decided what Blondie shirt she wants yet. Well, let's see what we got up and coming for the Snowcat. Oh, we have a 12,000 pound Badlands winch for it. That's gonna look good on the front. Should we see what else we got here? Oh, Road Shock Edge. Get them out of the box. We got some Road Shock Edge 4 LED spot and floodlights. Excellent. Wonder what else we got here. Oh, more of them. We got some Road Shock 6 LED spot and floods. Wow, they're gonna look nice on there. So, stay tuned for that. These will be going on the Snowcat soon. And don't forget about our build out in Vegas. And don't forget about becoming a sponsor. Check out our website for that package. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.